Hi peeps, my name is Zena and I am aging ethically. For the new peeps, what that means is I only use vegan and cruelty-free cosmetics on this channel. I like to share my experiences with volunteer work, and I also like to share my love of plant-based food. Today we are going to be featuring this lovely palette from BH Cosmetics, and it is the Ultimate Neutrals Shadow Palette. This palette was gifted to me by my sister on my birthday, and I'm going to link that video above where I opened my birthday gifts, and I really had a lot of fun with that video, and my sister sent me some really beautiful cosmetics to play with. And it looks like this, and it contains several gorgeous shadows, metallics, creamy mattes, and soft shimmers. I can't wait to start using this palette. And if you guys want to see me go from this to this, then stick around. My first step, of course, is going to be the NYX Hydratouch Primer. I love this stuff so much. I'm going to prime my lids with Born This Way Concealer in shade Snow. I haven't used a single shade in here, so this palette is absolutely pristine. I'm going to take this guy right here, maybe blend it in with this one next door. All right. Woo! Oh, that's a lot of pigment. Oh my gosh. It's okay. You can work with that. I'm going to grab a lighter shade, grab this one right here, and I want to blend out or veil the top of this shadow so that it blends in nicely. Now I want to deepen that crease up a little bit, so I'm going to choose a darker shade. And I think that shade shall be maybe this guy. This guy and maybe a little bit of that one. Why not? Oh. I think I put too much. We'll see. I've been doing this a lot lately, and I used to veer away from cutting my crease, but since I've been using this Too Faced concealer, which is kind of like a thin consistency yet high coverage, I've been reevaluating my thoughts on cut crease because I'm starting to enjoy it now. I'm gonna put that dot right there, as you can plainly see. And then I'm going to look up. And what that does is it shows me exactly where I'm going to cut my crease. Isn't that neat? Because your girl has a bit of a hooded eye. And I have had hooded eyes my whole life, but now as I'm getting older, they're becoming more pronounced, which is okay. And now I'm just going to go from the inside of my eye, and I'm going to meet that little dot that's right up here. And I'm coming all the way out here with it, but then I'm tapering inward. I'm going to take my finger and pat along the outside edge. All right, now I'm going to go for some a very light shimmer for the outside, and then I'm going to kind of ombre in like darker sort of shimmers as I get toward the center of my eyelid. This one here to start with. It's creating like a nice little highlighting shimmer effect on the inner portion of that cut crease. I'm gonna go with a little darker shimmer now. Now, I want to do the deepest. I think I'm going to do the deepest shimmer all the way on the edge. Now I'm going to pop off camera and do the other eye. You know the drill. I'll be right back. Okay guys, now we're going to finish these eyes in a little bit. They seem pretty even enough for my liking. And now we're going to do foundation and do the face. Let's go. I had a little bit of fallout from the shadows, not much, just a little. I've got the CoverGirl and Olay Simply Ageless foundation still. She's still going strong. This is in shade 215 Natural Ivory. I just fixed my bra strap again. I'm having a little bit of a bra strap dilemma on this channel. I promise you I'll get that straightened out because this is now the third video where my bra strap has made an appearance and I'm not enjoying that. So I apologize and just know, please know that I'm working on it. I am working on it, I promise. Back to my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I'm just gonna dab a little bit. Like I said, this concealer goes a long way. I'm just gonna press right into my under eye area. Oh darn, I didn't do my color corrector first. No! It's okay. We're just gonna bypass that tonight. Do you ever do that? Do you ever have like a set plan of how you're gonna do your makeup and like, especially when you're like really going in and then you leave out like a vital step? Oh well. Just move on. You just press forward. Just move forward like anything else in life. Pick up the pieces and move forward. I am pulling out the BH Cosmetics Classic Blush 10 Color Blush Palette. Another long name. And I'm going to contour and blush with the same palette. Just going right under my cheekbone. You can actually see right there where that divot is. That's where I'm going. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit of blush. Go with kind of a shimmery one tonight. Right over top of my cheekbones. Yeah, Makeup Revolution Translucent Baking Powder. All right, I'm going to go with the lightest once again. Well, with the Urban Decay Brow Blade in Dark Drapes, I'm going to really quickly just fill in the little bald spots in my eyebrows. And that's really about all I'm going to do, and just put a few little blade swipes, and that's about it. There is the waterproof pencil side, which is what I was just using. It's a tiny sort of pencil, and then on the other end is an even tinier yet little microblading tattoo sort of effect. And it just simulates little hairs. Now I'm going to go with the initial shade that I used as a transition shade, and I think that was this one. And then just take a little bit of this guy next to it as well, these two right here. And I'm just going to go right under my eye. I'm going to grab that shimmer shade that I just used as a highlighter, which was this guy. Coat the tip of this little brush. Alright guys, now we're going to do a wing. And of course this is, sorry guys, this is the tried and true NYX Matte Liquid Liner. Now that my wings are on and I'm ready to fly away, I'm going to take some of the darkest shade on this palette, the darkest matte shade on this palette, put a little on my brush, and I'm going to go right into the outer crease here. And lift that up. Shimmer. Now I've taken some super inexpensive e.l.f. lashes and I've cut them in half and I've tapered the edge of each of them. I'm grabbing my Pure Cosmetics Pro Eyelash Glue. I absolutely love this adhesive. One can say that I stick to it. Now I'm going to apply this just to the corner of my eye. Is the technique that Marilyn Monroe's makeup artist used to do, and just apply the lashes on the outside of her eyes and not the entire eye. And to be honest with you, they're super easy to apply this way. I'm taking my Milk Makeup Kush mascara, which I just adore. Now I could just do a nude lip and call it a day. But I want to do a red lip today because I'm kind of feeling sort of Marilyn vibe with this look. I'm not going to commit to full red or fire engine red. I'm going to go with, you know, I'm going to use Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lip. You just know I'm going to. Come on, come on. But this is the shade Jeffree Who. Shake it up a little bit. Shall we line first? We shall. This is a little company called Gabrielle, and I found this brand in the health food store, and I absolutely love this shade. It's Wine. Super soft pencil. Before it dries down completely, I'm just tapping it in to kind of blend with that pencil. Oh, girl. Ooh. Oh, she's feeling fierce. She's feeling fierce. Oh boy. Ooh. Mm. Mm. What do you think? Did I do okay? Is she looking glamorous this evening? Feeling fabulous. I feel so good. And I did all of this just to go to Target. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. As always, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Monday and Friday. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.